it's me, Fashion Tamer the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. So I know you guys are probably noticing, like, did she just have this wig on in another video? I did. But this is, we're going to be talking about another company that hit me up on IG, and I was actually really excited because I've been waiting for more braid wig companies to hit me up, and I'm actually pretty geeked that I got the opportunity to work with one. So this is coming from Braid's Queen, and I will leave their IG below. Of course, I will leave the link below of how to purchase this unit. They actually sent me one of their newest items that they have, and I'm actually really geeked and excited to see it because it's something that I've always wanted anyway and never really tried it out. So yeah, so these are the headbands. So once again, this is a headband unit. This is the headbands right here that they have packaged, and this is the wig itself. I love the black bag. I love when wigs come in bags or boxes, like they're easy. Ooh, it's the butterfly locks one. Oh, this is cute, you guys. Oh, this is giving me, this is giving me a whole vibe right here, y'all. Oh my God, look at those beautiful locks. Like, look at them. Look at the detailing on that. And it's in a headband unit. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so I'm about to go put this on and come back, or I could just snatch my wig off. You know, y'all know I don't care about snatching a wig off on camera. But I am gonna need it. I am going to adjust it off camera. Okay, so we're gonna pop this one off. Bam. Yeah, pop that off. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited. Let me see if I can take this off. My scissors are across the room, so I really cannot just walk over there and go get it because I don't want to walk out of frame, you guys. So we're gonna take this off the best way we can. Bam, did it. Okay, so this is made like a traditional headband unit, so I'm geeked about that. Okay, let's pop her on. I think I'm gonna do it from this way. Yep, hold on, make sure. Yep, we're gonna do it from the back. So we're gonna put this on. Ooh, automatically, this is definitely big head friendly. I am here for anything big head friendly. Ooh, this is a real headband unit. Ooh, okay. What y'all think thus far? I mean, we ain't styled it or nothing, but say, y'all gonna make me go get some locks, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna pop open the headbands. Ooh, first, before I pop one on, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got a yellow one. I think I'm gonna end up liking this one. Baby, I don't care what I get, baby. They gonna throw in a leopard print somewhere. Camouflage, and this one really cute. We're gonna do the leopard print one. And these are the headbands that I like too. Okay. Ooh, Jesus, okay. So, I'm definitely gonna say this. They're definitely good quality because I'm being really rough right now. These are definitely great quality butterfly locks. It doesn't feel like it's gonna unravel. It doesn't feel like they're extremely too soft. Like they're soft, but they don't feel like just overbearingly soft, where it feels as though like they're going to unravel on me at any moment. Oh, you guys. Oh, I'm so geeked. I'm too geeked. Oh my God. I love this. Now, so I'm a fan of headband wigs. I definitely will say this. I am a huge fan of the headband units. The only thing that does suck sometimes for me is when it's a wig that I really like, I get mad because they didn't make these in a lace wig. So just throwing that out there, you guys over there at Braid's Queens, go ahead and gonna make this into a wig, like a wig, please, because I need this, because I'm feeling everything about this. Like, this is giving me college girl vibes, and I like it. I'm trying to get it, pull it apart, because there are like these little, like the little strings that are still keeping it together from moving around. But so far so good, honey. I approve. I approve every bit of this. Ooh, I got makeup all over me. Whew. Don't talk about me, you guys. Y'all know I've been trying to get my life together. But I am going to say that I approve of this unit. I love this unit. This is beautiful. Very lengthy. Like, it's actually hitting my waist. Like, it's waist length. This is beautiful. I like this. I approve. So, if this video was informative and to you guys liking, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And for more information on this unit and more units like this from Braid Queens, just remember the link is going to be down below. Also, you can find their social and all their other social medias, and trust and believe, honey, you will definitely be getting your money's worth, because I love this unit. I'll talk to you guys later.